Organizations involved in the asylum procedure. You have applied for asylum in the Netherlands. During the procedure, you will have dealings with a number of different organizations. In this video, we explain who they are and what they do. When you communicate with the various organizations, you will, in most cases, have the right to be assisted by an interpreter. Interpreters are neutral and independent. Registration phase. As soon as you arrive in the Netherlands, you will have contact with organizations that will record your identity and nationality, note down your details, provide asylum support, and make sure you are safe. Identification and screening service for asylum seekers. DISA registers your details immediately after you arrive in the Netherlands. Staff will ask you to produce documents and will take your fingerprints and a photo. This information is necessary for your asylum application. Royal Netherlands Marechaussee. The Royal Netherlands Marechaussee is responsible for guarding our borders. They will check your documents to see if they are genuine. Sometimes they will register your details in the system. Immigration and Naturalization Service. The IND assesses your asylum application. They review your own account of what happened to you and the situation in your country of origin. After that, they decide whether you are entitled to receive protection in the Netherlands. COA. The Central Agency for the Reception of Asylum Seekers supports you during the asylum procedure. They provide accommodation, meals and assistance. They also arrange practical matters, such as health insurance or appointments with a doctor. You can also contact the COA if you have any questions about your money card, accommodation or work. The COA is an independent body and does not decide on your asylum application. Security. Security guards patrol the IND buildings and COA reception centers. You will recognize them by their uniform. Their job is to make sure you are safe. Asylum Seeker Healthcare Organization. Medical care is available at each reception center. The GZA can assist with medical questions and appointments with a doctor or dentist if you are ill. You can also call the doctor at any time. NIDOS. The NIDOS Foundation is there to help you if you are under 18 years of age and have come to the Netherlands without your parents. You will be assigned a guardian who will help you to take important decisions, make sure that you can attend school, and be available to answer any questions you may have. The NIDOS does not decide on your asylum application. General Asylum Procedure. During this phase, you will not only come into contact with the organizations you are already familiar with, but also new organizations which are there to help you during the asylum procedure and advise you on your personal situation where necessary. Vluchtelingenwerk Netherlands VWN. The Dutch Council for Refugees can help you by explaining the asylum procedure. Their staff are there to provide you with personal assistance and support during the asylum procedure. VWN does not decide on your asylum application. Legal Aid Board. The task of the Legal Aid Board is to make sure you are supported by a lawyer during the asylum procedure. You do not need to pay for this service. The lawyer is independent and works solely for you. Medtadvies. Medtadvies is an organization that assesses whether there are any medical issues that could affect your interview with the IND during the asylum procedure. You will be given an appointment with a nurse who will ask if you would like to undergo a medical examination to see whether you have any physical or psychological issues. Medtadvies will then advise the IND regarding whether or not you can attend an interview. Other organizations. If your asylum application is rejected, you can receive assistance from organizations that can help you return to your country of origin. Repatriation and Departure Service. If the IND rejects your application, you will be contacted by DT&V to discuss returning to your country of origin. International Organization for Migration, IOM. IOM helps people who want to leave the Netherlands voluntarily. They provide relevant information and help you make the necessary arrangements. Processing your personal data. During the asylum procedure, organizations will retain information about you, for example, your name, date of birth and documents. This data helps them process your application properly. They share this data with other organizations if that is necessary by law. All these organizations will treat your data securely and carefully. You have certain rights, and you can ask which data those organizations possess and why they are being used. The Dutch Council for Refugees will not share your data with other organizations unless you have given permission to do so. Each organization has its own task, and that ensures you receive the correct assistance and support. You can find more information at refugeehelp.nl. If you would like to make an appointment or contact the Dutch Council for Refugees, you should visit refugeehelp.nl to find information on where our help is available and how you can contact us.